Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to unarchive chat on LinkedIn. To unarchive a chat on LinkedIn, first of all, open up the LinkedIn app and log into your account. Once you're in the homepage, tap on the messaging icon at the top right corner. You will then end up in your message box. Simply tap on the inbox drop-down on the left and then click on Archived to view your archived section. You will then be able to see the list of conversation that you've previously archived. Go ahead and press hold the conversation you want to unarchive. Select the conversation you want to move to the inbox and then click on the unarchive button at the bottom right. Soon after that, you will then be able to see those conversations in your inbox. Whether it's for revisiting important conversations or picking up where you left off, your LinkedIn messaging experience just became even more efficient. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more tutorials from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.